back to a hole. My head crooked as hell. Hey y'all, what's good y'all? Welcome back to a whole another video, man. It's a little, I ain't gonna lie, no cap. It's a little banger, nothing too crazy going on. But this is a start to getting my car back legal. Obviously, you see I'm in my car. I'm driving it legally. But yeah, right now I'm on the way to actually renew my registration. So I'm about to drop a cool $1,200, $1,300, you feel me? Nothing too crazy, but yeah, I'm about to go pay like $1,200 just to renew my registration right now. And then I gotta go update my insurance as well. Because my insurance is actually due tomorrow, but I'm just paying today. Damn. Oh, this is the airport. This is where the police at. Yeah, why they doing this to me? Fuck. They send me towards the police. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go renew the registration and then pay my insurance. So yeah, man, I just left the bank to deposit money in my account so I can pay this registration. Pay all my other bills today. One thing I recommend for y'all, if y'all do have the money in your account and you have upcoming bills, I recommend you just paying the bills right now instead of waiting until the bills are due. I don't like doing that, because what if something random come out your account and you can't pay for it, then you know. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So all my bills can be paid today, so that way the whole rest of the month I don't have to worry about nothing, and all the money I make for the rest of the month is money I can spend or put it in my savings. Look, so it took me about an hour and some change to get everything done, and let me know I have everything done here officially. So I came up, it's getting darker here, but everything came up to about 1,800 and some change. What? 1,860. It's something in that range for a fucking sticker. God damn. $1,800 for a fucking sticker and a piece of paper. So yeah, but leaving the place right where I was getting my registration stuff done, it's like a huge drop. And then if you know my car is low as hell. Plus I have my splitter and my exhaust is right in front of my car. So it's like I was leaving and then my muffler is in the middle of my car. So I don't know why first of all, I don't know why the police, they told me I had the muffler. I have a muffler and it's in the middle, not in the back. So yeah, my muffler got stuck, so I for sure have a hole in the muffler because my car is louder. So I have a hole somewhere in my exhaust because my car is loud, but it's not this loud. So I need to go. Well, either it goes. I need to get my. I need to put a muffler in the rear of my car anyway. So I'm gonna change that muffler and get a quieter muffler and put it in the rear of my exhaust so I can get everything signed off. But yeah, man, I'm just letting y'all know I just paid $1,800 for some. You hear that noise? Watch. Probably can hear it, but yeah, I have a hole and this lot says wrong on my car. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm just flabbergasted. So the dude was telling me that there was a lady that she had to pay $35,000 for her registration because she got a ticket every single day in LA. She got a ticket every single day, so she had to pay $35,000. So of course I asked him, did she actually pay it? And she didn't pay it. She ended up just getting the car out of there. So she didn't pay that. But he told me for Tesla owners, a registration for Teslas every year is about like $2,000 a year for a Tesla. So, DJ Officer Jones, if you're watching my video, especially since you want the Tesla Plaid, expect to pay $2,000 every year for a damn sticker in California. So it's a lot more expensive out here than it is in Minnesota. But yeah, man, I'm about to get some food probably. Hey y'all. I got this fucking car that has been following me since ever since I left downtown LA, and I am damn near San Diego. Alright, finally. Goddamn. Shit. What the fuck, dude? There's a nigga in the I think it's an Audi A5 or some shit. Bro, man, hey man, look. Please don't follow me, bro. Don't follow me, cause I have real driver mod and I know how to fucking drive and bob and weave through traffic, even though it is dangerous. One false move could end it all, but I'm a really, really good driver. So I've been driving since I was like damn near 13, 14. So yeah, man, please don't follow me, because if I'm trying to go home and you follow me, obviously I'm not finna go home, because you for sure probably a stalker. So I'm gonna end up like 10 cities away from home, man. If you want to say what's up, man, say what's up. Don't fucking follow me, please. PSA. Now let's get to the end of the video now. So that's the video's not over, but this is day 2 of trying to make my car legal. Yesterday, you guys know I paid about $1,800 for my registration and little other small fees. So today I need to find either because I don't want to drill holes into my front bumper again, because reflections, they patch it up obviously. So I'm going to find some Velcro. So I'm about to go to Home Depot right now. Not Home Depot. I'm about to go to AutoZone right now so I can find some Velcro. So some strong ass Velcro, so I can put my front bumper, so I can put my front plate on my car. And I have a hole in my muffler, so my car is extremely loud right now, as you can see here. Y'all can come with me, because I realize, like, I be saying I'm gonna go places and take it with me, and I turn the camera on after I get the stuff. So we're going to go in AutoZone together and find some goddamn car 3M Velcro. That's what we're gonna find. So yeah, man. So when I get there, I'm turning back on the camera. Hey y'all, look who we have in front. We got the Popo in front of me undercover. Ooh shit. Let me die. I can't make more. Technically, I can make my car quiet if I put it in regular drive. It quiets downs the exhaust. So let me go do that real quick. So yeah, so that way my RPMs isn't as high. Damn, you drive slow too. Get my ass over. Well, that is one dangerous move right there, boy. So I found the blue tape aisle. I've seen this right here, flex tape, but I don't know if that's gonna hold it or not. I'm definitely not about to put no super glue in my car. They have 3M tape for the exterior. Shit, I can't find it. Oh, I found it. Right here. This is what we need right here. Yep, that's the one. Yeah, multi-purpose fastener. So one side is tape, other side is Velcro. Yeah, because I'm definitely not about to put no super glue in my car. Alright y'all, so I have the first two now. The hard part is trying to align these two onto the bumper without it making the plate crooked. Y'all just thought about it. Y'all, so look, I'm actually smarter than I think I am. So obviously what I can do is stick this one right here easily. This one right here, right? Pull off the tape. Tape just like that, stick it on. See, I'm smart as hell.